Good morning, Parkview. Welcome to our first virtual Peace Assembly of this school year. It's super great that you can be with your Peace partners this morning. As you listen to the assembly, remember your assembly etiquette. Sit quietly, listen carefully and respectfully so that everyone can hear what we have this morning. Participate appropriately and encourage others to do the same. Enjoy the assembly.
All right. Hi, everybody. It's Principal Kristen and
Miski.
And we're here to share with you the Roseville Area Schools Equity Vision.
Roseville Area Schools is committed to ensuring an equitable and respectful learning environment for every student, family, and staff member, regardless of
race, gender, gender identity, sexual orientation, socioeconomic status, ability, home or first language, religion, national origin, age, or physical appearance. Thanks, everyone. Bye.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.
As part of this assembly, we would like to share that the land Parkview is on was originally cared for and stewarded by the Dakota people before they were removed by force. We recognize history has tried to erase and exclude Dakota voices. To remember this history and honor Dakota people who live in Minnesota now, we commit to care for this land and our community together in peace.
P is for peace.
Peace is
learn to be kind to others, work together, and resolve conflict to make our world a better place.
E is for equity.
Equity is
understanding our differences to ensure that everyone gets what they need to be successful.
Action.
action is
using our talents and resources to influence positive changes in our world.
C is for community.
Community is
creating and keeping healthy, respectful relationships with our family, friends, and neighbors.
Environment is
Making responsible choices to conserve Earth's resources and protect our planet.
November was Native American Heritage Month. Here is a bit of the learning and sharing that happened around PCS this November. Parkview recognizes the Heritage Months to honor the fullness of our school community by sharing the stories, celebrations, challenges, and successes of many of the cultures present in our community.
In my home, school, and community, I pledge to live peacefully with others, to share, to care, to listen, to help. Peace begins with me. En mi casa, en mi escuela y en mi comunidad, yo prometo vivir con paz con todos, compartir, cuidar, escuchar y ayudar. La paz comienza conmigo.
in my home, in my school, and in my community. I pledge to live peacefully with others, to share, to care, to listen, to help. Peace begins with me. Peace begins with me. Peace begins with me. I know that peace begins with me. In my home, in my school, and in my community, I pledge to live peacefully with others, to share, to care, to listen, to help. Peace begins with me. 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 I know that peace begins with me. Peace begins with me. Peace begins with me. I know that peace begins with me.
Hello, Parkview. Hi, Jay. This is Nazreen. I was so proud of our Parkview community for meeting our school-wide goal of 3,000 APAWS and earning our peace bracelets. Hey, nice bracelet, Jay. Keep earning those APAWS and watch for a new school goal in January. Peace out, Parkview.
We have so many great messages of peace at Parkview, and we're so glad that we could share them together. Before you leave your Peace Partner classroom this morning, or as your Peace Partners leave your classroom, be sure to remind each other of your names if you haven't already. That way, if you see each other in the hallways, on the bus, around the building, you can greet each other and say hello. And that when you see them again next, whether it's another Peace Partner activity or another activity that your teachers plan for you, you know each other's names and get to know each other better this school year. Have a great day, Parkview!